What is a slip and fall accident? One of the most common types of personal injury accidents is a slip and fall. In fact, falls are also one of the leading causes of traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord injuries, and accidental deaths in the United States. The attorneys at Berg Injury Law handle slip and fall accidents in Northern California, including cases involving catastrophic, life-changing, or fatal injuries. Generally, a slip and fall occurs when an individual is caused to slip, trip, or otherwise fall to the ground due to a defect or hazard on a walking surface, therefore resulting in an injury. There are many different types of slips and falls, including on spilled products, holes in the ground, slippery surfaces, or uneven walking surfaces. Although liability in a slip and fall accident may be obvious, oftentimes determining who is responsible is not. Even though the landowner is generally responsible for all hazards or defects on the landowner's property, there are some exceptions. For example, take a fall at a supermarket. Oftentimes, the landowner is not the supermarket itself, but a larger company that rents to the store and other stores in a shopping center. Therefore, if a victim falls outside in a parking lot in a pothole, broken curb, or due to another dangerous condition, the landowner of the complex may be responsible and not the supermarket. However, the caveat to that is that most landowners who own and rent out stores and shopping complexes hire property management companies who are responsible for maintaining these common areas. That means a victim may have a claim also against the property manager. When a victim slips and falls inside of a store, there are also many other entities who could be liable. Generally, the tenant renting the space will be responsible for reasonably maintaining the supermarket in a safe condition. That means slip and falls caused by broken jars, spills, crushed produce in the produce aisle, or wet floors will likely be the responsibility of the supermarket. However, some spills may also be caused by third parties. This includes if the supermarket has hired a company to wax and clean the floors but does so negligently, or against a repair company which negligently repairs a leaky AC unit or refrigeration unit that is leaking and causes a fall. Given the complexities of slip and fall cases, victims should call our experienced slip and fall attorneys in Northern California at Berg Injury Lawyers for help. You can contact us today by dialing 866-928-4640 for a free consultation, or reach out to us through our website at berginjurylawyers.com.